How to sign up for ChatGPT. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start with how to sing in time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up ChatGPT on a device. Now wait for some time. Now simply tap on sign up. Now enter the email address. Now tap on continue. Now create a password. Now simply tap on continue again. Now once you're done, simply tap on login. Now enter your email address. Now tap on continue. Now enter your password. Now simply tap on continue once you're done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.